If you like survival mystery games, Among Us is a great option to play with friends. If you already play, you may want to speed up in-game discussions by using voice chat instead of text. Here's what you need to know. At the time of recording, the game itself does not have an in-game voice chat feature. To replicate what you may have seen on YouTube, you'll need to use a third-party app like Discord to set up a separate group chat. If you and your friends aren't already part of a server you can chat on while in-game, you can make your own. Barring that, if you or at least one of your friends play on PC, you can use a mod called crewlink, which allows you to talk to players near you in-game. Feel free to download this free and open-source mode from the links in the description below for both Android and Windows 10. Once you've installed the app and enabled requested permissions when prompted, just start it up, then launch Among Us from the launcher. On Windows 10, the app will work automatically as soon as all of you are in the same lobby. If you're using the app on Android, you'll need to switch back to it and input your in-game name and lobby code manually before switching back to the game. If you're having any issues, ensure that at least one player in the lobby has both the app and game running on PC, and has enabled mobile host in the settings menu. As of recording, using the app with mobile users alone is not possible. Also note that this will only enable voice chat for everyone who has the app installed. Users who don't have the app installed will remain muted. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Among Us and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.